Looking for a repair shop you can trust in Katy, Texas? Welcome to Nexar Auto Repair, your one-stop shop for fast, honest, reliable auto service. Our ASE-certified technicians handle everything: oil changes, brakes, AC repair, wheel alignments, diagnostics, suspension, and more. Whether it's routine maintenance or a major repair, we've got you covered. What makes Nexar different? Honesty and transparency. We explain every repair, give upfront pricing, and never upsell you on what you don't need. Using advanced diagnostic tools and state-of-the-art equipment, we make sure your vehicle leaves in peak condition, safe, reliable, and ready for the road. Plus, all our work is backed by a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty for your peace of mind. Our customers love us for fast service, fair prices, and trustworthy repairs. That's why so many Katy drivers choose Nexar Auto again and again. So if you're looking for quality auto care you can rely on, choose Nexar Auto Repair in Katy, Texas. Call us today at 703-782-9111 or visit nexarautorepair.com to book your appointment.